Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Bold BI. In this video, you will learn how to migrate a dashboard offline using the Download and Upload Dashboards option. This is useful when you need to move dashboards between servers or tenants without rebuilding them. Let's get started. Before I begin, make sure you have download permissions for the dashboard. If the download option for a particular dashboard is not visible in the context menu, this indicates that you don't have the necessary permissions to download it. I have shared a video in the description on how to manage permissions. You can also download more than one dashboard from the page by selecting the checkbox in the dashboard list. Or download all dashboards on the page by selecting the Select All checkbox in the header. For this example, I will download the Policy Claims Analysis dashboard. Open the Dashboard Actions menu and select Download. In the Download dialog, review the message shown on screen. If you want the dashboard to carry sensitive information like credentials in the download package, which reduces manual setup after upload, keep Include Sensitive Information enabled. Next, select Prepare Download. This step creates the offline package in the background. Once the package is prepared, go to the Offline Resources page. In the left panel, select Publish. On the Publish page, navigate to the Offline Files tab. Here you can see the file's status and details. You can download multiple dashboards by selecting their checkboxes. Or select all dashboards on the page by checking the Select All checkbox in the header. Downloaded dashboard files can be removed by hovering over the respective file row and selecting Remove. You can check the status of the downloaded dashboards by clicking the Status column. This will show the status of the download process for each dashboard. Also, make sure to refresh the page to see the latest status updates. When the status shows success, click the download icon to save it to your system. Note that if you downloaded a single dashboard, you will get it as a BBIX file. If you selected multiple dashboards, you will get a zip file that contains multiple BBIX files. Now, let's see how to upload the dashboard. Next, switch to the destination Bold BI environment where you want to import the dashboard. Click the plus icon and select Upload Dashboards to begin the upload workflow. On the Upload page, click Browse and select the downloaded BBIX file or the zip file if you downloaded multiple dashboards. For this example, I'll upload the BBIX file. Wait until the Uploaded Successfully message is displayed, because only successfully uploaded files will be included in the import. Then select Next. You will see a screen to update dashboard details on the right. On the left, you'll see the list of dashboards with categories like All, Configured, and Needs Attention. Let's check on the right side. Here you can change the dashboard name, update the description, and select the correct category or create a new category if needed. To select a category, open the drop-down menu and select or type to create a new one. For this example, I will create a new category named Insurance. You can customize the name as needed. To replace an existing dashboard, enable the Replace checkbox to choose the dashboard you'd like to replace. You can provide or edit a summary of the dashboard. I'll edit it to show that this dashboard provides a comprehensive view of an insurance company's claims processes and performance. Next, validate or configure the data source. If you downloaded with the Include Sensitive Information option enabled, the data sources will typically show as completed, and the dashboard will be ready to use. If the status shows as pending, you'll have to resolve the data source before the dashboard can run successfully. The same if there's an error. In this case, we have an error to resolve. Click the navigation arrow. A dialog will appear that provides two options to update the configuration of the data source. At this point, you can either configure the data source by entering the required connection details, or you can map the dashboard to an existing data source already available in the destination site. Select the data source under Map to an existing data source. Then click the Done button. The data source will be validated and marked as completed. Note, if the data source schemes do not match, you will receive an error message. Once completed, the dashboard listing will be updated as configuration is completed. Now, the dashboard is ready for upload. If you close this process, it will be saved as a draft. And you will receive a message prompting you to close or cancel, along with an option to navigate to the Upload Drafts page. I cancel. And click Upload. Upon selecting Upload, the dashboards will be uploaded and you'll see a notification when this is successfully finished. To find the uploaded dashboard, go to the server homepage, select the category, and you can see the dashboard. In this video, I showed you how to migrate a dashboard offline using the download and upload options in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.